Well, good morning, guys. I got up early this morning. Not really early. Sunrise was at 7:30 down here, so got up early and shot some pictures of the sunrise this morning. And I noticed the workers were already out backfilling on the beach and trying to get A1A open. So I thought, oh man, beautiful. It's a crisp morning, about 65, 60 degrees, somewhere in there. And I said, I will throw the drone up in the air and take some video. I hope you enjoy it. They're really working hard. The governor was down yesterday, and he said that they will have it open in December. So we look forward to it. So hope you enjoy the footage. I've had a couple people on the vlog ask me to go down to Ormond Beach. So I will be doing that today to film their reconstruction. I didn't film the damage, but they only have 2 blocks shut off, so I'll get down there today and get that filmed. Hope you enjoy.